How to fix pressing the power button doesn't wake up Android phone screen problem. So if you're pressing the button or if you're pressing the power button and if it doesn't wake up on Android phone screen, then what you need to do is you just need to repair your power button because it might be a problem with the power button itself. So go to your nearest hardware and you need to simply reset or repair your power button or other hardwares. So the first thing you can do at home is you need to check and clean the power button. And after cleaning the power button, you can simply try to wake up. And if that still doesn't fix, you need to go for the second method, which is you need to hard restarting the phone. So you can simply go and factory reset your phone or hard reset your phone, and your problem will be fixed. And even after hard resetting, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to charge your phone. So go for the charger point and you need to simply charge your phone. Once you've charged your phone, your problem will be fixed. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.